Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Erin and today is a tutorial. I know I never do tutorials on here. I feel like no one really wants to see them on YouTube anymore, so I don't know how this video is going to go over. But a lot of you guys requested in my book haul, the last book haul video I just did recently, that you guys wanted to see me recreate this look on camera. So since so many of you guys asked for it, I decided to do the look for you guys on camera and just show you guys how I did it the last time, and hopefully you guys like this video. If you do want to see tutorials, please let me know in the comments down below. I'm not sure what everyone's opinion on tutorials is nowadays, so if you want to see more, let me know. If you don't, also let me know in the comments down below. And with that being said, let's get on to the tutorial. Okay friends, so let's get into the tutorial. I haven't done a tutorial in so long on my channel, I don't even want to remember how I did it. So I'm just going to walk you through the steps and just kind of talk about what I did and kind of make this more of a chit-chat tutorial, just because, I don't want to make it too formal. I just feel like that'll be weird. So this is the look that I had in my most recent book haul, and a lot of people wanted to see how I did it, so I'm just gonna redo it for you guys. So I am using concealer as my primer. I don't know why I did that last time. I just did. I don't usually use concealer as primer because it doesn't really work on my oily eyelids, but for some reason I did it, and it worked pretty well, so that's what I'm doing again. I'm just gonna do it step by step how I did it, so you guys can see. So I'm gonna do the exact same way, and hopefully it looks the exact same. Next, I'm going to take my black P. Louise base. It's just a black base, and I'm going to put this on my lid because I put black on my, pretty much all over my lid, but we cover it with a shimmer. It doesn't matter. Anyways, so I take it on a flat shader brush, and what I did was I just kept the majority of the color here on my lid, like so. And it's okay if it looks kind of messy because we're putting a shadow over this. So I'm just gonna cover my lid, go a little bit into the crease. I mean, not too much. I obviously make a mess, but it's fine. I told you guys this eye look is pretty simple, so you don't have to worry too much about being like super precise. It's not an extremely precise eye look, so if you're not like super comfortable with black, or I don't know, I guess black, because that's pretty much the scariest color we use in this eye look. So if you're not super comfortable with black, don't worry. It's really not that hard. This is pretty much, if I can do it, you can do it, so don't even worry. So I have like a little blob here. That's what I did before. Again, I don't know if this is like good or the right way to do it. This is just how I did it. So then I took my Creepy Cute palette from Shroud Cosmetics, and I picked the shade Void, which is this black shade. You don't need these palettes to do this eye look. These are just the palettes that I used to do this eye look. I'm grabbing a different brush, and I'm picking up Void, and I'm going to pack it on where I put the cream base. Pretty simple, like I said, not much to it. Just want to make it black. Black, 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 black. And I am not one for blacks. I don't use black a lot. It's kind of scary. It's a scary color. If you use too much of it, or if you use it wrong, it just destroys everything on your eye. So I just tend to stray away from blacks. But for some reason on this day I had a vision in my head and I was like, you know what? Black, that's what I'm gonna do. So I did it, and apparently it turned out really good because you guys really liked it. And yeah, that makes me happy. I'm glad you guys liked it. I liked it too, honestly. Turned out way better than I thought it would. So now we have this, which looks a little kind of early 2000s punk, goth, emo, whatever you want to call it. I'm not really sure. So I'm going to take the same brush with some more Avoid on it, and I'm just going to fluff this in my crease pretty much to blend the lines of this crazy blob of black, because it just looks very weird. Again, I know it looks like I'm trying to go for the 2000s. I'm not, because I would have never done this look. I was too chicken to look different than everyone else. I'm just going to take a clean blending brush with just a little bit of void on it, and I'm just going to fluff it around. I really do look weird, but trust the process, guys. Trust the process. What I'm going to do is take some of my NYX glitter primer, and I'm going to take the Shroud Cosmetics Arcana Palette, and I'm going to use the shade right here. So what I'm going to do is cover my lid in this primer, just a light layer. So I'm just going to grab a flat brush, and I'm going to put on some of the NYX glitter primer. You don't need to do this step, but I just think it helps the shimmer look better, to be honest. So I'm just going to pat this where I want the shimmer to be, which is pretty much all over. I want it to cover the entire lid space and even a little bit into the crease, because I want the majority of this eye to be blue and not black, which is funny because there's black everywhere. Then when I've gotten it how I want, I'm just going to pick up Mystique on the brush, and I'm going to put that on. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous blue shade. I love this palette though. It's stunning. It's very pigmented and so creamy and easy to work with. Like I said, I'm putting it a little bit into my crease just because I want the blue to go a little bit higher than just my lid, because I want the blue to be the main focus here. The blue is the eye-catching part. And then we have this. I'm going to take the brush I used with Void and just kind of blend the crease a little bit, just so it doesn't look too disjointed. I know it looks crazy, especially with one eye done and not the rest of my makeup. It looks pretty wild. I'm gonna do my other eye off camera, and then I will come back, and I'm trying to debate if I should show you guys my whole face makeup situation, if you guys want to see that as well. I'm not really sure, so you can't really tell me if that's what you want to see. I might just leave it out, and if you guys want to see a face routine, if you want to see in tutorials the whole makeup process, just let me know in the comments down below, and when I do another one I will include it. But most of you guys just wanted to see the eye looks, so I'm going to just show you guys that. So let me do the other eye, clean up, we'll do the lower lash line together, and I will show you guys the rest of the look. So I'll be right back. Okay, my face makeup is on. I actually am using Moon Cruiser from Kaleidos as my highlight today. I didn't use it the last time I did this look because I didn't have the highlight in my possession at that time, but now I have a blue highlight on, so I feel like that looks kind of cool. So let's finish up the eyes, shall we? I'm going to take a flat definer brush and I'm going to dip into Void, the black color again, and I am going to line my lower lash line with this. Next, I'm going to blend that out with Tombstone right here from the Creepy Cute palette. It's a gray color, and I'm going to blend out the black with the gray. And now here's where the fun part comes, in my opinion. I took Cold Shoulder from the Creepy Cute palette and I placed this in my inner corner for my highlight. And I know it's not like shimmery or anything, but it's just a pop of blue and it looks so cool. This is my favorite part of the eye look for sure. It lightens everything up because everything's so dark and deep, and then this blue comes in, being this ray of light and beautifulness in the inner corner. This is such a gorgeous shade. Like that, it's a little, you know, dramatic. This eye look is dramatic. You would definitely not wear this, you know, on an average day, unless you're me, because I would, but that's because I'm crazy. Just gonna take my blending brush from before to blend the light blue in a little bit more, just so it's not too stark. And yeah, this is the eye look. I'm going to throw on some mascara and a lip. For lip, I'm going to put on the Kaleidos Lucid Lip in Crystallize. It's a clear gloss with blue sparkles in it, and the blue reflex actually do show up on the lips, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna put on. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, there you have it, a recreation of the makeup I was wearing in my last book haul video. I really love this eye makeup. I think it's really dark and sultry, but the pop of blue on the inner corner just highlights that lid shade so beautifully, and I really love this look, and apparently you guys did too because you guys wanted to see me recreate it. So thank you guys so much for loving this look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial on it, and yeah, with that being said, I guess this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please let me know in the comments down below. I don't know if anyone wants to see tutorials anymore, if this is something you guys want to see regularly on my channel. I'm not sure, so please let me know in the comments down below and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more tutorials from me. If not, totally fine. I know it's not everyone's cup of tea, but if you do want to see it, please let me know. That way I can do it for you guys. And yeah, feel free to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we can become friends, talk about makeup, horror, books, a lot of other things. I do a lot on this channel, so hopefully there's something for everyone. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!